Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope so you will doing good. So our today topic is significance of auxiliaries verbs in our talk. Mean how to use the auxiliaries verbs in our talk. Auxiliaries verbs means these are the two like categories, primary and secondary auxiliaries verbs. So this one is the overview of our lectures. So let's start it. Mean the auxiliaries verbs, basically the secondary auxiliaries and a slot of primary auxiliaries. We can say that the be, do, and have. These are the three categories of auxiliaries verbs. And what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is a verb that is used in a phrase to have the primary verb make sense by acting as a supporting verb. It is used to change the voice, mood, and tense of a statement. Statement, we can say statement or sentence. So these are very important in our talk. And verb, it means that the backbone of the sentence. So without this one, we will not be able to produce the whole sense, the entire sense of our talk. So these are very good and very important in our talk. Here are the some instances of auxiliaries verbs. Mean the different examples of primary. In primary, we can say the helping verb like is, am, are, has, have, etc. We can was, were, and these all. And then there is a, like this table shows that what are the auxiliaries verbs in primary mood and what is the structures we will be used in our sentences in our talk. So these are the present, past, and the future auxiliaries verbs. How to use auxiliaries verbs? How can we use these all to perform the different functions, to perform the different sentences or in a context? So auxiliaries verbs acts as a helping verbs to alter the tense, voice, mood of a sentence. Let us look at the how these use verbs act to fulfill each of these characteristics. For example, for questioning, the first thing is that we just start the conversation with questioning. So if we just know these all, so we will be able to ask the question properly, and we will be confidently over just to ask something from our interlocutor, from our like addressee. So these use will be helpful for us to ask questions and to start the conversation. As we all know that the conversation opening thing is that ask questions are creating words. And then importance of auxiliary verbs in our question in the negative and like in the positive. So since beginning English learners often struggles with the formation of questions and negatives in the both past and present simple or tenses and the futures too. So it helps learners to know about his or her talk while he or she is talking to an addressee. So they help us to make sense in our talk. For example, if someone just asking questions regarding past, so how we will be able to know this one? So we will be able to know this one by the identification of auxiliaries, mean the helping verbs while the person is using in our talk. So just we will be able to know these all. So this is the exercise, and you have to just sort out this exercise, and you can email me. I will just respond to your emails, inshallah. So in conclusion, I can say that auxiliaries are very important in our talk. By using these all and by understanding these all, we can just extract the good idea from our interlocutor, what he is saying, what she is saying. Thank you.